Hi, Thompsons. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Hawksmoor House, which is your farm experience, four-star farm experience, close to Stellenbosch in Cape Town. Hawksmoor House is about 32 kilometers from Cape Town International Airport. And if you look at where Hawksmoor House is situated, that is your city centre of Stellenbosch, city centre of Paarl, and that is where on the left where Cape Town is. So it really is literally slap bang in the middle of Cape Town Centre, Paarl City Centre, and Stellenbosch City Centre. And if you want to go out to Franschhoek on a day drive out, that is a perfect location for you out to Franschhoek as well. So it's, I want to say, it looks a bit further on the map to Franschhoek, but fairly much the similar distance between Stellenbosch, Franschhoek, and Paarl. That is Hawksmoor House. This is the farm, the layout of the farm. So when you enter into the farm, this is at this gate, just off the N1 highway. You will enter into where you find the Manor House on the property. What I like about this farm is that you've got different room types all around the farm. So you've got the dairy rooms over here. The dairy rooms have got two different rooms. Then you've got your cottages over there. The Manor House also has about 5 rooms in there. And then you've got the beautiful rooms at the Edge House. So Edge House right at the back here has got the stunning views onto Table Mountain. So over here you'll see Table Mountain. And then your Manor House, if you're outside on the back terrace, that really has a beautiful view over the water, and then Table Mountain in the evenings. On the left-hand side here, you've got the barn with obviously an ideal option for weddings. And this is where you've got parking on the left, on the right-hand side there. So the whole farm is actually surrounded and fenced in. And you've got a security company that actually patrols the property at night. So this is your layout of the farm. The Manor House that I've just showed you, this is at the back of the Manor House. So looking from Table Mountain, looking towards the Manor House, you will see that there's a lovely, beautiful patio outside. We can just sip on some wine and watch the sunset at the back of Table Mountain. So this is the view that you get. So there on the left-hand side is Table Mountain. And at night, you can't actually stop looking at how the sun sets right at the back there. Inside the Manor House, you've got this lovely lounge area where at night somebody will be hosting you for some nightcaps. And in the main building, still the Manor House, this is where you serve breakfast. And your breakfast will be either around this beautiful long yellow wood table or outside on the terrace. All our breakfast is served out of this kitchen. This is the farm kitchen. And it's quite nice to know that you really are experiencing that whole farm lifestyle of being treated with a beautiful breakfast serving from the farm kitchen. This is also an ideal setting if you want to host an event or even a dinner for a special occasion. We do lots of weddings on the property, obviously. And then that on the left-hand side is still the Manor House leading out onto that beautiful patio that I've just showed you. You can even use us for conferencing. And then just to give you a view of that patio, again in the daytime, you can just sit and relax, order a lovely glass of wine, read a book. The property has got 17 different rooms, and each room is individually decorated. The owners are also antique collectors, and you will find loads of antiques in these rooms. And what I like about the Hawksmoor rooms is that these antiques are all being used. So they're not just there to look at, but physically are being used. So the different room types, as I mentioned, have got different color schemes and different decoratings. So in the winter, it's also ideal because of the fireplaces. And in the summer, within the Manor House, you've got those thick walls. So it really gives you a nice cool effect in the rooms. One of the options of the rooms. Also one of my favorite rooms, and it seems to also be a favorite with the wedding couples because the brides love the views from these rooms. It's the map room. This is the rooms down at the edge house, as I explained earlier with a map. The rooms, the entrance is on this side, but obviously at the back, you will see that they look out onto Table Mountain. So the white room is over there, and the white room opens up onto the patio that looks out onto Table Mountain. In the edge house at the back, you also have this beautiful option for self-catering. It is a 2-bedroom self-catering unit. It can be used for self-catering or else for a couple sharing, or people, family sharing, or 2 or 3 couples traveling together. It's a double room in there with its own ensuite bathroom, a lovely courtyard, and on this side of the courtyard, there's another room with an ensuite bathroom. Full-on kitchenette if you want to cater for yourself, and then that lovely courtyard in the middle is where you can sit and just relax and have a look at the views. The bedroom on the left-hand side and the bedroom on the right-hand side that I've just showed you. This is the self-catering unit in the edge house. Hawksmoor is obviously ideal for weddings, and a lot of weddings take place here. And then our barn are used for weddings and for special occasions. Just to give you an idea of that beautiful area that I showed you with the sunset. And then an event venue in the front of the Manor House, a massive lawn where you can do lawn games and picnics. You can order a picnic basket from us. Just gives you an idea of that lawn in front of the Manor House. So Hawksmoor, why choose Hawksmoor? It is a farm experience. So the whole idea of really spending quality time on a working farm, a wine farm where you can do wine tastings as well, obviously, order a picnic basket, really come and relax, and still be close enough to go out for a day trip out to Franschhoek, or a day trip out to Stellenbosch, a day trip out to Cape Town, and then come back in the evening and have a relaxed feel around you without hundreds of people, walking down corridors in big hotel rooms. Yeah, so that's what Hawksmoor is about. You can do a half board package where you can do breakfast and dinner with us, so you can book that for a night stay. People normally come to Hawksmoor for 2 or 3 days, a longer stay than just the one night, but you are more than welcome just to stay with us for one night, and we will make sure that you want to come back the next time to spend more time with us. So please send your guests to us at Hawksmoor. We will really give them a lovely South African farm experience with the 4-star quality that they deserve. Looking forward to see you spend time with us soon.